Hey kids, this is Daddy and Mommy.
Hey kids!
Time for some surprise eggs.
Yay! What's in this egg?
It's a motorcycle with stickers. We gotta put the stickers on the motorcycle. Oh, we're gonna have to leave that one for one of you guys to do. Alright, let's try another one.
Yay!
We got another motorcycle.
A white one.
With different stickers. Oh yeah, don't worry about that chocolate.
Mommy's gonna eat it.
Daddy's gonna eat some too.
Oh no.
Over here. Alright.
Okay. What kind of toy is it gonna be? Cool. It's not a motorcycle, it's a something cool. What is it?
It's a panda parachuter. It's got a big parachute.
Oh wow. Oh, it is a big parachute.
Yeah, and we can clip it inside the little panda here.
Oh.
And he goes jumping off of things. Yeah, panda parachuter.
Let's see how. Wow.
I guess he just falls. All right. No.
It kind of works.
Kind of falls. All right.
Kind of works.
One more egg. One more egg. Here we go. What's in this one? Let's get back here to light.
Oh.
Uh-oh. This looks complicated.
We'll give the complicated one to Amy.
I think it's a race car.
Oh.
Oh, that was the last thing to do. Okay. Okay.
Oh, that's a cool race car, Daddy.
Yeah, it's a race car.
I miss you guys.
I miss you kids. I love you. Mommy loves you too. So we got race cars and motorcycles and parachute guys. See you soon.